Alright, check this out. Got this yard machine from a guy, close friend with for a long time. So, riding mower, pretty decent shape. It's a 2000 and something model. I can't even tell you. More premium overhead valve engine, 420cc. Yeah, of course, that's nice. What he had an issue was a no start. I'm gonna go ahead and rush through this one because it was pretty simple. You know, understanding I'm a veteran. All right, so first I had to go get him a battery. He had jumper cables on the bad boy. We're gonna do jumper cable, we're gonna get the battery. So if I was to pull the battery, right? This sucker ain't breaks down or nothing. You gonna do me like that? That's how you gonna do me? Okay, check this out. Let me go get some wrenches. Get some wrenches for this winch. Wrench for the winch. Young monster back there. Well, you got one off in the cut. Just letting there enjoying life. I thought I was gonna make a quick video. We're gonna try to make it as quick as possible. But I just wanna show y'all what the deal is. And this is very common on a lot of these. I got this old specialty tool too, man. They got all your standard sizes on one. So whatever you need, you just rotate it to it and make it happen. Just so happen to have everything I need on this bad boy. Like I did that, no wrench on the other end. Veteran status. You get there one day. Everybody get there one day. Watch enough of my videos. You get off the learning curve. Be veteran status. Now this one was a little bit bigger than look at that. Gonna be hard headed. Okay. Alright, hard headed. You know what they say? Hard head make for a soft butt. Uh-oh. Well, it's hard to do it with one hand and hold the doggone camera. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Alright, that's that, alright? So I got them off the battery. Let's pull the battery. Alright, check this out. Wop wop, right here. I don't know if y'all can see it good. This right here connects the battery to the starter. To the starter solenoid. Starter solenoid is right up in here behind the frame. Where the wires going to. All these wires are going to right here. Starter solenoid. This right here is a fuse, which I'm gonna put it back where it was. I don't know how good you can see. That's where it was, right? That's a fuse, a little 20 amp fuse. I put a 25 in there, so that's all I had. Close enough. That sucker blew, and there was no key start. Plus, I need a battery. So, that concludes this move. And now you can do this on a lot of pretty much all riding mowers do this. That are like this. I don't know how much of the zero turns do that, but I'm not real familiar with them. But one day I soon shall be. These bad boys, what I specialize in. That sucker right there, you will not get anything from the key turning over. I'm out.